You're in Joan's house today. Our Kine Ukers are meeting, and this is the first of our cooking class. And today I'm going to make fried rice. My first time, so I hope it turns out real good.
All right.
And the first thing I do is add my sesame seed oil. Okay, I should have opened it first. Okay. All right, I use my recipe. I didn't have it. My recipe went away. Okay, I use 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. And this is the first time I've used sesame seed oil, so I'm anxious to see. I've heard it's very good in cooking lots of things. Has a real good taste. So my instructor Wally said so. Okay. Of I'll let that get hot, and I'll put in my, this is 1/2 cup, 1/2 of a medium onion of
Not yet.
a round white onion.
You want to cook the egg first?
Am I supposed to cook the egg first?
Yeah. Cook the egg first.
Oh, I thought I'd put it in later.
Well, if you can, but you're going to have that thing full, right?
Okay.
See what I'm saying? Yeah, cook the egg first.
I could put the egg first in
Yeah,
there? Oh.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Then take it out, then reverse the order.
oh, okay. I didn't read that, okay. Okay. I'll scramble my egg first.
Yeah.
Huh? Yes, it's in a wok. I don't have one of these, but I'm planning on getting me one.
Just oil.
Okay. That cooks up real quick, doesn't it? Now, if I'm doing something wrong,
That's
Wally,
fine. Just
you need to
scramble it
tell me.
up. What she's doing is scrambling the egg. What we're going to do is put it on top of the, mixed with the fried rice.
Add sesame oil and spam. Cook on high for 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Smelling good. Mary, don't you wish you had come tonight?
Okay, you can add your rice.
Very good. This is 3 cups of rice and 1/2 can of spam, 1/2 of a round onion, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. So far, that's what I have.
Okay, put a little accent in there.
But what?
Accent.
Okay, my accent is.
Just kind of go like that around, you know.
Okay.
That's good.
That was exactly 2 tablespoons.
Okay, put your soy sauce in.
Okay, my soy sauce.
Not a whole lot, but just kind of turn brown.
It's about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Probably Wally doesn't measure, but
Probably that's enough. Oh, okay, that's all right. Because you don't have enough rice in there, but that's all right.
now I have more rice, but I measured out 3 cups like the recipe said, but I have more.
Yeah, throw some more rice in there.
Okay, let me get some more rice right here.
Good.
I just happened to double everything. I
Yeah,
doubled
throw that whole thing in there.
for the whole thing. in
There you go. Now you're talking.
Now I am
There you go.
now I am not going by Wally's recipe. And I do have
I
more.
told you I can't write a recipe, you know. You just
I do have more green onions and more white onions and more
What
Spam.
you do is put the green onions in there.
Okay. You want me to get the other? I have double. I have the
Go ahead,
same
throw it.
amount.
No, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, and put your, go ahead and stir that for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
Then go ahead and put in your bean sprout.
Okay, just about a handful.
Yeah.
I think I should put more Spam. I have more Spam already chopped up.
That's good.
Like this.
Yeah. There
Okay.
we go.
Do I need
And
more
just let
oil?
it cook for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
Keep on going.
Oh, well, forget that. Think it's wet enough?
Yep, that's good. You turn off the stove
Okay. Okay.
and it's done. Okay, we're gonna see the results. Come back later. Aloha.